Jamaica Taliawahs T20 cricket franchise continues to fall apart. We are yet to mention the departure of the now former captain Ravman Powell, who led the Taliawahs to victory just last season. Now that development is in addition to the revelation that the Taliawahs will not be hosting any games in Jamaica in defense of their CPL title. And look, it is fair to assume that the non-hosting of the games is a business decision. Not enough fans are coming to the games, the Jamaican dollar is weak, and blah, blah, blah. Whatever it is, it's an embarrassment. The biggest and boastiest country in the Caribbean, and we cannot sustain a T20 cricket franchise. We should hang our heads in shame. As for the departure of Ravman Powell, that too is foolishness. We're hearing of conflicts and clashes between Powell and officials of the team over issues like team selection. And it's the captain that had to go. The inspirational and winning captain is out the door while other people stay. What can go so? What can go so? Only the Jamaica Taliawahs.
Full of followers.